Modern politicians and legal experts seem to think that necessary and proper means anything and everything, but they couldn't be more wrong. Supporters of the monster state use the necessary and proper clause found in Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution to justify all kinds of federal activities that the Constitution actually doesn't authorize. They like to refer to this clause as the elastic clause because of how they stretch it, pull it, and wrap it around all kinds of new power never intended by the founders. Even central power-loving Alexander Hamilton said the necessary and proper clause did not give the federal government any additional powers. He called the clause a truism in Federalist No. 33, saying the operation of government would be precisely the same if it were obliterated. So what exactly does necessary and proper mean? Basically, it allows an agent to do things not explicitly spelled out in a legal document, but necessary to carry out delegated powers. The founders considered these incidental powers and recognized 3 criteria for constitutionality. 1. An incidental power must be necessary to carry out the delegated power, like buying land on which to establish a post office. 2. It must be a customary way of carrying out the delegated power, like hiring people to deliver the mail. And 3, it must never rise to a level greater than the original power delegated, like claiming the power to own all truck manufacturers under the power to establish a post office and post roads. Or take this as another example. Say I contract you to run my grocery store. I don't need to spell out that you can pay a guy to clean the floors or hire a mechanic to fix a freezer. Those powers are necessary and customary to running a grocery store. But you wouldn't have the legal authority to buy a farm or use revenue from the store to subsidize the growth of one product, like corn, to the detriment of others. Necessary and proper authorizes the federal government to do ordinary things in carrying out the powers delegated to it in the Constitution. It does not authorize the government to take over, control, or monopolize anything and everything.